need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets, 'cause I'm incomplete.
Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. It's the final day of Valenbean. Happy Valentine's Day. I have so much love for all of you. I hope you have a wonderful day regardless of what you're doing. I had a lot of fun creating this look, and I don't know, let's just get into it. I don't really have too much else to say. I enjoy this look and I hope you will too. All right, hello. I have a vague idea of what we're doing today. I'm first just priming my eyes with my Smashbox lid primer. I don't know why I'm showing this on camera. I never show myself priming my eyes on camera. We're just getting wild and crazy today. I attempted to do a specific look and I failed at it. It was bad. I tried to do the heart cut crease that I've been seeing floating around on the old Instagram, and it was tragic. I'm really frightened that I'm gonna fail at this, but I gotta try, you know. I don't know how well I'm gonna actually be able to explain what I'm doing because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm so frightened. Ugh. That looks just like a heart. I'm thrilled with how that turned out. I haven't been more frightened by something I've done on myself in a long time. Holy cow. I hate it. I feel like this eye went a lot better. I do feel like this is not good for my eye shape. And when I'm looking like straight, it doesn't really look like a heart. I don't know, it's kind of weird. This took a really long time for me to even get it to where it was somewhat decent, and I'm still not happy with it. The last Valenbean video is a mess. So I'm taking inspiration from the basis of that eye look to do this look. And it's fine because I had another idea of what I wanted to potentially do for a Valenbean look anyway, and I wasn't going to be able to if I did that one, so we'll do this one instead. I'm using a combination of the Pinky Rose Obsessed and 80s Baby palettes, and I'm starting with the 80s Baby. I'm going to go in with a more, first, that red shade. And I'm taking that on this e.l.f. pointed eye pencil brush. You can see that there's already product on it because I've already basically done this look. But I'm doing heavier focus in this outer corner, and then I'll carry it all the way towards the inner portion of the crease. I am gonna do a half cut crease with this look, just so you know. But of course you don't have to, you can just put the shimmer all over the lid. So yeah, what I learned with the heart cut crease is I do not think that was good for my eye shape. It wasn't horrible, but I wasn't totally happy with it. If I'm not totally happy with something, I'm not gonna turn it into a video, especially when I had another idea. So that's where we're at today. And I've also already filmed my anti-Valentine's Day look today, so this is technically my third time putting on makeup. Now I'm taking the Baby from the 80s Baby palette, and this is a Spectrum B06 brush. It's just a little bit bigger, a little more medium sized. And I'm basically just running that right above, kind of right on top of and right above the red shade. I really like the color that happens when I mix these together. It's like the cutest pinky red color, even though this is like a purple. It's just cute. So this is my very last Valenbean video, which means this is getting posted on Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day. Let me know what your plans are, what you're doing, what you did, what you didn't do, things like that. Even if it's not Valentine's Day related, just what did you do on this Thursday afternoon? As I'm filming this, it is Friday, the Friday before, so it's like pretty much a week before. As of right now, Zane and I are going to dinner that night, and I'm working a little bit in the early part of the day, but I don't really have any major plans so far. But still have a week till it, so who knows what'll happen in that time. Now I'm gonna go into the Obsessed palette, and I'm gonna take 90s Love right here, that pink, and I'm taking this on a Colourpop E2. And I'm just dipping in lightly. I don't have a ton of product on the brush, and I'm just gonna be taking this right above everything else. The bangs are in the way because they are so long. And I'm just gonna blend this right on top above kind of zone, just like we've been doing. And now I'm gonna go back in with a more, that very first reddish shade just to re-intensify and add some more of that red in this outer corner. I love this like color combo. It looks so pretty. And I would obviously, like, you can wear this not being a Valentine's Day look. I just think it looks so electric and neon and it's so pretty. So now I'm gonna take my Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I'm dragging some across my lid and I'm only doing a half cut crease, so I'm gonna stop it right where this red shade builds up. Looking up so I can get a clear idea of where I need to cut the crease so that it doesn't transfer all over my lid. That was the main problem I was having with that heart cut crease. It was just transferring everywhere. It was not staying seamless looking. It didn't look great. It wasn't worth it. And I tried twice. I tried really hard twice. This brush is a Spectrum A16, by the way. I like it because it's very flat and small. So now I'm going to dip into Fresh from the Obsessed palette, and don't ask why, but I'm just using this really random pencil brush from Luxie, and I'm just laying this down everywhere that we placed concealer. Now I'm just going to go back in with that very first brush with no additional product, the one that I used with Amore. And I'm just going to begin to kind of smudge this area so that it fades from the reddy pinky neonness we have going on into the shimmery white. Now you can highlight with that fresh shade if you want, but I'm just going to use my finger and just kind of mix Kitty Cat and Forever Lips because that's what I used on my face, and I'm going to pop that in my inner corner. This highlight palette isn't available anymore, so I apologize. I'm just trying to use some things that I haven't really used in a while. And now for liner, I'm using the Beauty Bakerie Lollipop liner. This is optional, but because of the liner is what is going to make the next part happen. But you could totally just leave this like this. It looks really pretty. I would wear this anytime ever. But I'm going to do my liner now, and I want this to be a little more elongated of a wing. And I want it to be fairly thin, but I want it to go more out than up, and I want it to be thin. Although my definition of a thin wing might be different than yours. I feel like this look is missing a little something before I do the final step. I want to just take a little bent liner brush, and this is technically a Stila glitter highlight, but I have a travel size version of it. This is in the shade Monarch. I'm just gonna put a little of this glitter on my brush, and I just want to pop this kind of where the cut crease is, just for a little extra twinkle. I'm back with both eyes done and changed my shirt, put on a choker because I felt naked, and now we're going to do something that hopefully works. I'm taking my Jeffree Star Drug Lord liquid lipstick. You could take a white eyeliner, whatever you have. I actually really need to get a new Drug Lord liquid lipstick because this one's getting so dried out. And I just have it on a little angled liner brush, and I'm carefully going to attempt to draw a little heart on my wing. And it's gonna be almost like a little helix effect, like the liner's going through a heart. So I'm just gonna start by drawing a heart on top of it, and then I'll fill in one of the sides with liner. That's cute. It's not like 100% perfect, but it's small and it gets the idea across. So now I'm just gonna take my liner and I'm gonna fill in the first part. Just because I feel like since it is thicker, it'll get that message across a little bit more. Yeah, that's cute. I like it. I'm just gonna carefully elongate this little part a little bit more. I like it. I think it's cute. Very simple addition to this look, but I think it's pretty. I'm going to throw on my lipstick and lashes and we will finish this up. So this is the final look. I hope you like it. I love how it came out. I feel really cute and spunky and springy, summery, Valentine's-y. And this is a really good look you could wear really anytime. Any of the looks that I created during the series you could wear anytime, but this might be my favorite I've done. I think it's really cute. I like the color theme and I just feel good about it. Let me know what you think of this look. Let me know what you thought of this Valenbean series. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun creating these tutorials for you. As of right this second, I've only posted the very first one, so I don't even know what your reaction is during the series, but I hope it was good. I had a lot of fun doing it, and thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day, whether you're alone, with friends, with your significant other. It doesn't really matter whether it's a cute day or just a regular day. I hope you just have a good one, regardless. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Let me know what videos you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.